and paint this defense.
Victoria drives the corner. Jolo Mendoza straight lining in for Jolo Mendoza.
One of the
Coach Rob Wainwright. Hindi lang basta coaching tandem ang dalawa. Magkasama sila naging teammates rain or shine sa PBA kasama si Coach Alan Salansang.
But it surprised me that they were actually together for 7 seasons. Matagal yun.
tagal.
Coach Mike, that's about 2 years together.
Yeah, that is a lot of seasons between those two. And pero ang pinaka-poging anchor analyst dito, alam mo kung sino?
Sino?
Papa P.
Ay, nako. Patay tayo dyan. Naikot naman natin yun.
Back to you.
Happy birthday ulit, Jeff Evangelista.
Happy birthday, Jeff.
Ang daming Jeff. Ang dami ring Mike.
Ano ba binanggit mo? Evangelista?
Jeff Evangelista ang nasabi ko tuloy.
Si GP, Jeff
Si GP yun. Si GP yun.
Uulitin naman natin mamaya.
Hindi pa pala
yan.
birthday ni GP.
One more.
Corner to Victoria. In and out. Rebound battle goes to JP Sarao and the finish. Bola nasa Bulacan. William C. off the fader. That up spin to a fadeaway jumper is good for William C.
He's been having I think he's the guard that they definitely needed. You know, that little bit of edge outside of Aaron Akop and Harold Benedictos.
The other Akop, Andre with a floater. And get the open shot here. 4 minutes and 47 remaining in the second. Far pass is good for Marco Balagtas. That trail job. Jem Cruz, no look pass. Dizon able to finish.
I like that he put the ball on the floor once. 3 in their last game. Overall from the field, a little bit of a struggle because he was 0 out of 4 from the 2-point area. But the threes, you know, ganda ng conversion ni Alwin Alday.
Locker room, susundan ko na yan.
Oo, kasi magkakampi sila no? Sa team ng Bulacan ng mga ibang liga doon.
Billy Robles extending the floor, getting the 3 right there. Official score, 33 to 37. Akop, 2-man game. Jem Cruz
Nice help.
blocked by Lervin Flores. Akop gets the ball alive, gets the jumper off the second chance.
How important is that for Aaron Akop to be able to recover that block shot and pull up from the short corner come crunch time, and you have to be very decisive.
Let's see here if there would be a change of fate, a twist of fate, if I may, by Bulacan, stolen from behind by Aaron Akop. No numbers for Bulacan. Aaron pulls it back. They go out to Billy Robles, corner, Alwin Alday. Good for the 3. The lead is back with Rizal. 6 on the game clock. They go corner. Can he go back-to-back? Alwin Alday does get back-to-back. 2 triples for Alwin Alday to end the quarter. Gives them